Hey guys, I really need you to do a good job on this stuff. So take your time, okay?
All right, what's up, everyone? Again today. Happy Tuesday. I miss you. Anyway, what we're going to do today is I want you to just tackle these 3x3 decimal problems. I am going to make some changes right away, so have this paper out. Hopefully, you checked your homework with someone for the Monday day. Let's go ahead right away, though, and I want you to change some of these numbers. So, this first problem, let's make it 63 and 9 tenths times 37. The second problem is fine how it is. Let's go down to number 8, and let's make it be 26.8. And then let's go to the very last problem and make it be 48.4. So these are your only 4 or 6 problems that you need to do. Let's go ahead and walk through the expectation of this together. And I'm just going to do 2 of them with you, and I think you're going to be good to go ahead and work on the rest. I just want to talk about that third row. So here we go. So follow along with me, and we're off. 0 times 9, add the regroup. 0 times 9 is 0. Now, let's pause for a second to think about this. If we're doing 0 times all these numbers, it's sort of silly for us to even do this. So let's be a little bit more realistic to go, that's sort of dumb to continue that way. So let's go ahead and right away, we know this first row is all going to be 0. So let's right away go into our slide /0 to move into row 2. Okay. So now let's take care of row 2. So this is something that we don't talk about in class because it's easier just to stick with repetition routines, but you're a group that can be thinking that way and go, oh, I could just skip that one and move on to row 2, but I need to make sure that I realize that I am moving into the tens place. So that means I have to put a 0 at the end. All right, so 7 times 9, add the regroup. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 3, add the regroup. 7 times 3 is 21. Add the regroup. We have 27. And then 7 times 6, add the regroup. We have 6 times 7 is 42. Add the regroup. 43, 44. Make sure your columns are lined up. So now we're going to slide, but we're dealing with this hundreds place. So I want you to think, we're slide / how many zeros would we need for the hundreds place? Because really this is 300 times 63.9. So you just be aware of that. It's 3 times each of those things with 2 zeros at the end. So it's slide /0, 0 when you're dealing with the third place value of numbers. All right, and then we go through 3 times 9, add the regroup. 3 times 9 is 27. Your 2 is here, your 7 here. We always regroup to the next problem. 3 times 3, add the regroup. 3 times 3 is 9, add the regroup. 10, 11. We regroup to the next problem. And then 3 times 6, add the regroup. 3 times 6 is 18, add the regroup. We have 19. We're still going to follow the same routine of Adam clap. 3, 14, mini 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, mini 1, and 2. Again, look at all your decimal movement. We have 1 in this row, 1 in this row, totaling 2. And so we need to start here and go over 1, 2. And so 63.9 times 37.0 is 2,364 and 30 hundredths. Or if it's money, it's 30 cents. Okay, all right, one more together. And here we go. Okay, you can see we have 3 place values, so we are going to have 3 rows down here. Okay, so here we go. 4 times 4, add the regroup. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 8, add the regroup. 4 times 8 is 32. Add the regroup is 33. 4 times 4, add the regroup. 4 times 4 is 16. Add the regroup. 17, 18, 19. And last one, 4 times 4, add the regroup. 4 times 4 is 16. add the regroup is 17. All right, now we're slide / 0, because we're moving on to the tens place. 8 times 4, add the regroup. 8 times 4 is 32. Regroup to the next problem. 8 times 8, add the regroup. 8 times 8 is 64. Add the 3, 65, 66, 67. 8 times 4, add the regroup. 4 times 8 is 32. Add the 6, and we're at 38. Hopefully all my math is right. And then 8 times 4, add the regroup. 8 times 4 is 32. Add the regroup. 33, 34, 35. So now we're going to slide /, but we're in the hundreds place now, so it's 0, 0. And let's continue again with this 9. 9 times 4, add the regroup. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 8, add the regroup. 9 times 8 is 72. Add the regroup. 73, 74, 75. 9 times 4, add the regroup. 9 times 4 is 36. Add the 7. So you have 46, or 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. And then 9 times 4, add the regroup. 9 times 4 is 36. Add the regroup. 37, 38, 39, 40. And add them up to get your grand total. So we have 6, we have 5, we have, let's see, 16 plus 6, 2, 7, let's 8 and 2 is 10, plus 7, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, mini 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of math. Okay, count over your place values over here, or your decimal movement. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4 decimal movements altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If it was money, it would be $441, and we would cut it off at 23 cents, but it's not money, so we can just leave it as is. All right, so go ahead and continue this process. Grab a calculator and check your work as you go. Remember that if you need to do some error analysis, you can check the multiplication work for each row to see where your error might be. You're going to have to just be really careful and really precise and stay focused on your pathways here. So you just have those to work on for homework. Yes, I know the numbers don't match because I deleted a whole bunch in between. And then remember, we crossed out pages in your long division packet since you are doing this. Okay? All right, good luck. If you have any questions, ask one of the adults in the room. Talk to you later. See you tomorrow. Digitally, anyway.